How to get Spotify Premium. In this video, I will guide you on how to get Spotify Premium on your device. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Spotify app, or you can open up any web browser. Now search Spotify, then head over to this website, which is spotify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Here tap on View Account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here you will have the premium option. You can find different plans such as Premium Individual, which is for one person. You also have Premium Duo, which is for two accounts. You can also have Premium Family, which has six accounts, or Premium Student. Now go ahead and select your preferred plan. I'm going to select Premium Individual. Scroll down a bit and you will find all the Spotify Premium plans option. If you want this one, tap on the Get Started option. Now you want to select your payment method. Go ahead and enter your payment details. If you have selected credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, and security code. Once that is done, scroll down and tap on the Complete Purchase option. And in this way, you can get Spotify Premium. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.